Hey guys, Curlychaotic, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. This is my first video of the year of 2018 and I'm just going to jump right into the video. This is going to be a first impressions demo type of video. I spoke about some of these products before. As you guys know, me personally, whenever I do any type of reviews on products, I don't like to cocktail my products, meaning using more than one different brand, like a Shea Moisture and then use Camille Rose. I usually like to use all the products that's formulated to work together, so I focus on one line just to see how they really work together, and then afterwards I can cocktail. So with that being said, I'm going to be discussing products with the ApHogee line. This is not a sponsored video. I just bought these. I've had some of these products over time and I spent my own money with these because I liked some of their products. You've heard me speak about it before in the past. I decided, screw it, let me just try some other products. As far as the products I'm going to be talking about, it's going to be the Keratin Green Tea Shampoo. I'm going to be talking about the Keratin 2-Minute Reconstructor, which you guys heard me speak about a billion times. Keratin and Green Tea Restructurizer. Then these three products that I'm going to mention are things I never brought to my channel and was curious to try. We have the ProVitamin Leave-in Conditioner, Style and Wrap Mousse, and the Gloss Therapy Polisher Spray. I'm going to insert some clips in the video as I discuss each product, and then I will be back with my commentary. Okay, so the first clip in the video is basically the Keratin and Green Tea Shampoo. You guys heard me speak about this a couple times on my channel. I do like this shampoo. I think for the price and for the amount you get, it does what it's supposed to do. It is made to soothe and replenish. It is a delicate hair formula. It's sulfate free and color safe. It comes in a 12 fluid ounce bottle. I do enjoy the smell. I do think it's a nice cleansing shampoo. I think I mentioned before, if you don't have to use a lot, it gets really, really soapy. So like that shampoo, anytime I wash my hair, I wash it 2 to 3 times and it pretty much does what it's supposed to do. The Keratin 2-Minute Reconstructor, I spoke about this several times. This is usually my go-to protein deep conditioner, and although it says you're supposed to use it for 2 minutes, I probably keep it on my hair for about 5 minutes, and it's supposed to add strength and softness in one step, and it's basically quick and effective against heat and chemical damage. So this is a good product to use to prep your hair before perhaps you're going to straighten it, or just anytime you want to add protein. As I stated before, with a lot of manipulation, after a while you lose protein, so you want to re-add the protein, which is basically strengthening your hair. And I really, really like this. I've used it a little over 2 years now and it does what it's supposed to do. So I definitely would recommend this, as I said before. Okay, so now I basically was stuck between the Keratin and Green Tea Restructurizer versus the ProVitamin Leave-in Conditioner. Both of them are both leave-in spray-on conditioners, but they both somewhat have different effects. So the Keratin and Green Tea Restructurizer is supposed to strengthen instantly, builds body, protects color and chemical services, while the other one, the ProVitamin Leave-in Conditioner, smooths and detangles, improves body and shine, protects against heat. So I decided to use the ProVitamin Leave-in Conditioner first because I wasn't really styling my hair that night. I usually work on stretched hair because I did cut it. So basically, I just sprayed it all around my hair as you see in the video clip, and it felt a little weird. I applied it on damp hair. Basically, the purpose of this leave-in conditioner is supposed to fortify limp, lifeless hair, and you know, it's supposed to be resistant to humidity and a lightweight conditioner. Usually any spray-on leave-in conditioners are lightweight anyway. So basically, I sprayed it on my hair and I just put my hair in a few plaits until it was dry, and then I was going to style it. Then when I used the Keratin and Green Tea Restructurizer, I never knew before that this product is supposed to work better with natural body heat or when you're using heat. So I saw a couple reviews and I saw a couple people say that it works best when you are going to use heat. Now I wasn't necessarily using heat, but I do use my Q-Do steamer, which is like, it gives you a light blowout and it stretches your hair. So I basically used the Restructurizer to blow out my hair. Then I ended up using the Style and Wrap Mousse. You know, it's a non-sticky formula, it's long-lasting, it provides shine and hold, and they say it's great for any thermal styles, wraps, or sets. So you guys know I'm a perm rod girl, as you can see in the clip. I will probably do an updated perm rod routine, but this video is mainly focusing on the first impression of these products and my thoughts on it. Fast forward 2 months, I'm taking out the perm rod set. You can see that I'm spritzing on a little bit of the Gloss Therapy Polisher Spray. Okay, so now I'm back with my commentary regarding the products that I use. So first things first, with the shampoo, I told you guys before, I like the shampoo. I would definitely purchase it again. It does what it's supposed to do. I really like the smell, and it keeps my hair clean. You guys know I am always talking about my Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. It is my ride or die. When I go on vacation, anytime I want to add some protein to my hair and strengthen it, I definitely use that. As I stated before, if you have severely damaged hair, then you definitely want to look into a more stronger protein conditioner. ProVitamin Leave-in conditioner, I was a little iffy about that one. It wasn't one of my favorites of the line. The only con I had about that product is it made my hair feel a little stiff. I just didn't feel like it was moisturizing enough, but that's not the product. I'm so used to using leave-in conditioners that has more of a thicker consistency as opposed to a lightweight consistency. Most of the time when I'm using a lightweight leave-in or a liquid leave-in is usually when I'm refreshing old hair. If I was going to compare the Restructurizer and the ProVitamin Leave-in, I would definitely choose the Restructurizer because I have used that before in the past. It didn't make my hair feel stiff. As far as the mousse and wrap goes, now you guys know I'm a perm rod girl, and I tried the mousse twice. The one on camera was my second time. The first time, I think I was just styling it, and I tested it out in a small section of my hair just to see how it would turn out, and it turned out okay. I would see if I can insert like a picture because I didn't record it or anything. Then the second time I used it, one thing I noticed was as I was separating my hair, I had a lot of flakes. And I couldn't determine like what was causing the flakes because I used it before in the past. But it was really disappointing because I basically mastered perm rods. Like, I've mastered the technique, and I've used so many different type of products to the point where I know what will or won't work on my hair when it comes to perm rod sets. So I'm not sure if it was the ProVitamin Leave-in conditioner or if it was the mousse itself. The mousse did what it was supposed to do. Let's just call a spade a spade. The only thing I didn't like was the white flaking, and usually you know, when I get flakes or whatever, I try to wash my hair instantly, but I try to ride it out for a couple more days until it was wash day, and basically it was just like my hair was just flaking up and it just felt really stiff. It was really dry. So I think the moment I noticed my hair felt a little stiff the next day from using the ProVitamin Leave-in conditioner, then I should have just stopped at that point, maybe retry it over, or I shouldn't have just used the ProVitamin at all. As far as the Gloss Therapy Polisher Spray, it's basically supposed to be like a lightweight mist. It's like an oil. I sprayed it on my hands and then I kind of moisturized it, so it was easier for me to separate my curls. If I was going to choose like 2 products from this line, it would definitely be hands down the Keratin 2-minute reconstructor, and I'm probably fighting between the Gloss Polish Spray or the Keratin Green Tea Shampoo. If you guys would like to see any specific videos or product lines, styles, whatever, once again, leave it down in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time.